Hey guys, what's going on? It's Grant from Grant and Shelby, and today I have the newest muscle box. Like I said before, you know, this muscle box, it is a $30 subscription month box, in which I wasn't a huge fan of last month's, but I'm ready to try this one. I can feel there are some better goodies in here, but really excited to definitely get in. So first things first. They give out another workout guide. It is jacked back and buys. Kind of like the standard bro workout. Looks like a pretty good amount of stuff. From week 1, you've got like deadlifts and reverse bent over rows to deadlifts, pull-ups. Looks like the workouts are a ton of actually pretty quick ones, so pretty excited to actually even try this out. We'll probably want to try this out in a video, to be honest. It has a great amount of stuff in here, so yeah, really actually excited to definitely deep dive into this. It tells you exactly like the responsibilities for each workout, for your back moves, for your biceps, and like how you should coordinate those, and pretty much gives you a nice little guide. So really enjoy that here. Let's see here. So I think I get to have some really cool stuff. For instance, we've got a protein spread. This is Grenade Crab Killa. It's got, let's see here, 7 grams of protein for 2 tablespoons and 11 serving sizes. So you get roughly around almost 80 grams of protein just in this kind of, it looks like a Nutella kind of stuff. So I mean, you can put this on any type of bread. I know Shelby will be really excited for this. So yeah, this is actually pretty cool. And then you've got 2 SynFit cookies. I'm very excited for these because this is Flex Lewis's Sinister Labs. And I've never been able to try these, and so I really want to try these. Yeah, very excited for this, honestly. Flex Lewis pretty much talks about these like crazy. He says they're really great, and looking at just the simple stuff, you know, 7 grams of sugar, 20 grams of protein. The fats seem to be really decent off of this, so yeah, I'm really excited for this one. So it looks like you've got birthday cake and chocolate chip cookie. So, and now here we have a C4 on the go. So it looks like a pre-workout, just kind of looking like almost like an energy drink form. I've seen these before. I'm not really sure exactly how much caffeine to ratio. Looks like roughly around 200 milligrams, which is a good amount. So yeah, I'm excited to try this, but at the same time, I'm not a huge fan of C4 because there are a lot of, I think a lot of better companies out there that have a better pre-workout. But you know, I'm willing to try it, see how it is in comparison. So let's see here. Then I've got, oh, that's cool, a jalapeno beef stick, like a jerky stick. It's 14 grams of protein, which is a good amount, especially for like a good little snack on the go, especially whenever we're doing anything outside of the house. Yeah, so I mean, it is jerky, so it's gonna have a higher amount of sodium, but it looks like it's only 500 milligrams, which is not too terrible compared to like a standard beef jerky. So it seems pretty lean. Looks like it is from Steerv. I've never even heard of this company, so yeah, can't wait to try that out. And then I got a shirt. Oh, I like the feel of it already. Oh, cool. It has Musclenation on the front, and then work hard and dream big. It's got that like athletic feel, in which I have a ton of material that's like this. A lot of my shorts are like this. So yeah, I'm actually really excited to see if this fits or not. Well, it is a large, but it doesn't really feel like a large. I mean, it fits, which is nice. So it's 96 polyester, 4% spandex. So that means it's not really gonna shrink, which is great. And which it says to do a cold wash, if I'm not mistaken on that. So yeah, I'm excited to definitely like work out in this and feel how it is. I definitely can feel a stretch, so that's really nice. You know, I feel like I'm actually able to move and do a lot of other things inside of it. I'm just not a fan of the gold, but you know, it's a shirt out of this whole thing. And yeah, so they put it as an MSRP of $34.99. So I mean, that's already covers your cost out of that. And then here they cover that to be almost $13 right here. So I mean, you're already getting a ton of your money back. So these separately are roughly around $275. So then you're looking at like $5-6. It looks like it's roughly around like $3 or so, $3.50. So these are roughly around like $2 or so. You're looking at almost a $60 box for 30 bucks. You know, and that's a good amount of stuff. I'm very pleased with this one compared to last month's because of, you know, there's something that actually fits, in which there's also a lot of stuff you can actually use on the go, and it kind of feels like it's a really traveling kind of box, you know, because like if you don't have enough time to mix your pre-workout or anything like that, they have this ready to go. They have a ton of snacks, and then on top of that, they have this really quick guide for you to look at to try to figure out exactly what you need to do. So yeah, I'm very pleased with this box. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching.